How to do an acrostic. The aim with an acrostic is to unravel not only the solution in the left-hand side answers area, but also a story related to it in the right-hand side grid. It's like a jigsaw. You need to work with all the pieces simultaneously to get the end result. And like a jigsaw, you need to start with the easiest pieces possible. Start with the clues at the top of the acrostic and answer any that you can figure out straight away. This will form the foundations, like the corner and edge pieces of a jigsaw puzzle, and get you on your way. Write the answers into the solution spaces on the left-hand side. So, if you know the answer to A in the clue box, write it into line A in the solutions area. You may find that shorter answers, or those with a two-word answer, are good starting points. Then, transfer each letter of your solution to the solution grid on the right-hand side, using the numbers directly underneath each line. Answer as many as you can. Even just 3 or 4 will be a great start. You'll notice now that the grid has a sprinkling of letters across it, and it's a good idea to see what you can deduce from this. At this point in a jigsaw puzzle, you'd be looking for patterns with colour and shape, and this is no different. Look for places where you think you know the missing letters. Remember that words like the, of, is, and in are very likely to appear, and there's a good chance that any apostrophes are likely to be followed by an S or T. Single blocks are very likely going to be A or perhaps I. If you can fill in any letters, remember to transfer them to the left-hand side area too. This will help you in answering more of the clues. In this way, you're slowly building up the puzzle. The key is to look for patterns in the grid, just like looking for patterns in a jigsaw. Slowly, you'll be able to answer a few more of the clues, and the acrostic will start looking pretty strong. The first letter of each answer, reading downwards, will spell out a phrase or name, and the grid will tell a story related to it. If you can work out what the phrase or name is, this may also help with filling in the grid. Not only is the acrostic a fun puzzle to do, but you can also learn some interesting facts from the solution too. Happy puzzling!